So gentlemen, this is a simple test of your perception. In this test, you will be shown a picture for 30 seconds depicting certain character, age and mood. According to this picture, you need to write a story regarding the picture. What led to the situation, what is going on in the situation, and what will be the likely outcomes. Feel free to put your thoughts and imagination as there comes to your mind without any regards for beauty of expression. You will be given 1 minute to record the observations like sex, age and mood of the character. Encircle the character who is the main hero of your story. And after that, you will be given 4 minutes to write the story round about in 80 to 100 words. You need not to describe the picture, you just need to write a story regarding the characters. So gentlemen, the next task is in the continuation with the same. A moment while ago, you were shown a picture and you were needed to write the story around it. The next task is the narration of the story. You need to narrate your story in round about 1 minute. You need to be short and crisp. You need to just tell the gist of your story. We will be starting from chest number 1 and simultaneously we will continue till chest number 12. The moment I shout next, it is an indication for chest number 2 that is time has started, and it is an indication for chest number 1 that is time has ended, and the same order I will carry on till chest number 12. After the narration of chest number 12 has ended, you need to discuss this picture, and you as a group needed to come to a common conclusion, wherein you as a group will narrate me a common story. It is not the matter whose story is being selected. You need not to work as a group in a progressive manner. You can speak as many times as you feel like, whenever you feel like, but just keep one thing in mind. Look among yourself while you are discussing. ठीक है?
20 to 55 years old and my hero is in positive mood. The action of my story is convincing his mother. So Raghu was a farmer from Jaunpur village of UP. So one day while he came from the fields, he noticed that his sister was back into the house after 1 week of his marriage. On inspecting the reason from his mother, he got to know that her family was asking for dowry. Listening to this, Raghu felt a bit angry, but however his mother convinced him and told him that not to handle this situation peacefully. Therefore, Raghu along with his family went to her sister's-in-law's house and explained them the inability to pay the dowry as they had spent a lot of money in their marriage. Raghu along with his sister's husband talked privately and told the love and affection between them. Listening to this, husband was convinced, and with the help of his husband, he was able to convince his family.
In this picture, I perceive 3 characters. The center character is Sandeep and his wife of age about 30 to 35 years old. Both of them are in positive mood. And the third character, who seems to be the mother of the center character. Sandeep and his wife have come to his hometown to spend holidays. They have spent their splendid holidays there, but it is time to go back to Roorkee where they live. He wants her mother to come with them, and because his mother falls regularly ill, but his mother is very emotional about her village and didn't want to come to the city. She hates the city life and loves the village and the village life. At last, the mother is convinced.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive 3 characters. The central character of my story is Shantabai. Radha and Sham are brother-sister. They live in a small village named Kishanpur with their 50-year-old mother. Shantabai, Radha and Sham dislike each other. They always try to oppose each other and always fight with each other, like other brother and sister. The Shantabai decided to teach them a lesson of care and love. She decided to send her daughter Radha to his uncle's home in another village which is far away from there. In starting, both were happy as they get separated, but after a few weeks, they started missing each other. They get lesson being separated by their loved ones. Then Sam decided to bring her sister back and go to their uncle's house, and they bring back her sister happily and in their house, and they never fight against after that day.
Next.
In this picture, I prescribe 3 characters of age group 45 to 70 years. My central character is Shiva, who is a very good man and hard-working man. His mother is very sick and is not able to do his work, so he take a holiday from his job and quickly visits to his mother to help her in her hard times. His mother becomes very emotional by seeing this, and his mother also prays to the God that every mother in this world should deserve a son like him, who would always help them in their hard times and fulfill the responsibility of a good child. Thank you.
Next.
In this picture, I perceive 3 characters, 2 female and 1 male. The central character of my story is Shivam, of age 23. Shivam is a very passionate and energetic person. He always wanted to serve for his country. So for this, he did hard work from starting along with his study, and cleared the NDA exam in his first attempt. But unfortunately, he got screened out on the first day. But he did not let this affect him much and continued with his hard work. And he got a TS entry, and he got another SB from
Next.
it. 31 May 1992, a boy named Karan was born. He loved the mother a lot. With time, Karan grew up and he went to Kolkata University, where he studied for 4 years. After completing his education, he returned back home. It was a festival kind environment in his home. After visiting home, he and his mother were recalling their old memories, where he was very sad as her mother was aging. And earlier she used to be so beautiful, and now he is denying the fact that aging is a part of human life.
Next.
In this picture, I have precise 3 persons, 2 female and 1 male, namely Kokila, which is the central character of the story. Kokila is elder woman with Mohan and Shweta. Mohan and Shweta are husband and wife, and Kokila is the mother of Mohan. Kokila is a very hardworking lady. She works as a maid in few houses to earn a living, as her son is not working anywhere. Mohan always comes home late, and he always misbehaves with her wife and mother. He drinks a lot and beats his wife. His wife always convey him to.
Next.
From the given picture, I have perceived 5 characters. Raju, father, Radhika is wife, Shama is mother, and Mohan is son. 3 are in negative mood and 1 is in positive. One day, Raju went out for the important meeting. The Shama and his wife Radhika were in home. Shama was making dinner for his son. Then suddenly Radhika and his mother started arguing in some issue related to his son. Radhika slapped his mother-in-law without any reason. When Raju came home.
Next.
In this picture, I consider the male character of age 31 year named Mohan and female character Sunita, Mohan's mother of age 45 year as a main character. Mohan and his family condition is not very good. They even did not get proper food to eat. One day Mohan thought to steal a big thing so that he can easily fulfill the needs of his family. His wife Sunita told him many times that he is not doing the good thing, but he did not understand. But later his mother know the whole situation, and she make him understand the right thing, that he should do hard work to fulfill the need of his family. And later he understood the value and do hard work to fulfill his need.
Here in this picture, I see 3 characters named Mukesh, Sheeta and Riya. Mukesh is the center character, age 32, with positive mood. Mukesh used to work in a local company where he didn't get much salary to live a luxurious life. He had 10 years of happy marriage with Sita. Sita asked for new jewelry as per his husband's job condition could not afford it. His wife frustrated him to buy that. One day
Next.
From the picture shown to us, I perceive 3 characters. The central character of my story is Ravi.
and the action of my story is argument about the higher education of their daughter. Ravi was a lower middle class working man who lives with his wife and daughter. Ravi's daughter has completed his graduation and she wants to continue her higher education as she was good in studies. But Ravi's wife wants her to get married, so this led to a little argument between Ravi and his wife. But Ravi was able to convince her wife and told her that knowledge is the most powerful weapon, and told that knowledge is the key to success. And if she will be more educated, she will be independent in her life, and she will be there for us. And finally, they agreed with the continuing of the higher education of their daughter.
Next.
In this allotted picture, I assumed 3 characters, and I assumed that the main character as a male of age around 28 years and a woman around age of 25 to 28 years. The man is an army person who has been commissioned in Indian Army recently, who came to visit his wife and sister after a long time. As they are newly married couples, so the army person enjoyed the holidays with his family and visited many places. And at night after dinner, when there was around 10 to 11 p.m., he got a call from his senior officer to get returned to his Pulton. But after the day, there was an important function in his house. But he decided to go and serve because he has a responsibility with his uniform. Because foreign service is important. So his wife and sister agreed with his decision and let him go and give the decision.
Next.
Okay, so as we all have perceived that there are 3 characters, and
there are 3 characters, but the third character have diminished image. So I can say that the third image is a kind of flashbacks. So according to me, there are 2 characters mainly. The third character is kind of imagination, which is created by the
Sorry to disturb you, gentlemen, but we can't ignore the third character because it is in the picture and clearly.
It is in the picture, but it's in a diminished way. There is not a proper body formation of the character.
Anyone can identify that there is a girl, there is a third person on that.
Yes, there is a third person, but that's not a proper body.
We can say that
it's a kind of flashback.
We can make that there is some little misunderstanding that has happened between a son and a mother, and that is the topic is being about something about a sister that is standing behind. So I think we should make something around this.
Yes, I think we should all agree with this. Instead of discussing about the number of characters, we should come to the story. We should put put some efforts and put the
as most of you are telling that there are 3 characters, so I will go with you. So I will say that there are 3 characters, and that the third character is a sister, which is standing back of them. Okay.
So we can make them like they, as from the dressing sense, it is quite evident that they are looking like from a rural background. So we can make them like they are farmers that he used to earn money for his family. As test number 12 has mentioned in the story that her sister wants to continue the education. So we can make that theme. However, her mother wants her to get married, but Shyam, who's the main character, will convince her mother for continuing her education.
Yes, we can say that there is a role of his brother to convince his mother.
From the following picture, we can see that the characters are arguing. So we can also include that there is a kind of broil between the son and the mother.
Yes, so we can make something like he told her mother about the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme and the different scheme that government was providing. Apart from that, he'll give him a broad image of what she'll look after she'll complete her education.
Yes,
and tell him also
the importance of the knowledge
yes, in today's world.
So we will go towards the story of chess number 11. His story is well verified, and according to me, it's too good.
Yes.
It's satisfying. The picture is satisfying. The story.
So I would like to appoint you to narrate the story.
Nominate one member from your group to narrate a common story.
So I suggest test number 12 to narrate the story.
Test number 11. Test number 11.
Okay, start.
So Ravi was a middle class working man, and his sister has completed her education, but she wants to continue with her higher education as she was good in her studies. But his mother is a little orthodox, so she wants her daughter to continue to get married. But Ravi was able to convince her mother. He told her mother the importance of education, and he told that knowledge is the key to success and is the most powerful weapon, and if she will be more educated, so she will be independent in the life, and she will be there for us. And
Okay,
finally they
okay,
agreed with the
thank you, gentlemen.
and finally they agreed with the continuation of the story.
So it was a very healthy discussion and the narration was also quite fluent. ठीक है, देखो सबसे पहले चीज़ आप लोगों को ये देखनी है कि आप लोग बहुत सारे लोग एक टाइम पे आर्ग्यू करने लग गए थे. जैसे वो आर्ग्यू कर रहा था बीच में भंडारी सामने से, वो ये आर्ग्यू कर रहा था कि मुझे नहीं लगता कि वो कोई कैरेक्टर है. तो उस टाइम पे जो सीनियर लीडर्स हैं ग्रुप के, जिसको अपना सिलेक्शन पक्का करना है, वो आगे लेके चले ग्रुप को कि छोटी मोटी बातें जैसे बोरो ने निकाल दी वो बात वहाँ से कि ज़्यादा इतना इंपॉर्टेंट मैटर नहीं है कि हम लोग ये डिस्कस करें कि वो कैरेक्टर है या नहीं है. ज़्यादा डिस्कशन किस पे किया जाता है, पहले आप पिक्चर को देखो. ये पिक्चर में सब कुछ ठीक नहीं है, पिक्चर पूरी पॉजिटिव नहीं है. आप देखिए कुछ तो गड़बड़ है पिक्चर में, तो वो गड़बड़ क्या है, जल्दी से जल्दी पहुँचो उस गड़बड़ के ऊपर. अगर 1 मिनट आपको नरेशन के लिए मिल रहा है, आपको 15 से 20 सेकंड में उस गड़बड़ पे पहुँचना है कि गड़बड़ क्या थी. इंपॉर्टेंट क्या है यहाँ पर कि आप उस गड़बड़ से बाहर कैसे निकले हो, हाउ आर यू ओवरकमिंग, समझ रहे हो. तो एज अ ग्रुप मेंबर भी जब आपने जब प्रॉब्लम डिस्कस कर ली थी, आपको फटाफट एक बंदे को अगर बोलना चाहता है, ओके जेंटलमैन, नाउ वी शुड डिस्कस द एक्शन, कि व्हाट द एक्शन ऑफ आवर हीरो, ही और शी विल बी परफॉर्मिंग. वो कैसे उस ट्रॉमा से बाहर निकले, जो भी प्रॉब्लम थी, जो भी इशू था, समझ रहे हो. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एम्फेसिस होना चाहिए वर्क पे, कर्मा पे. फ्यूचर तो सब ब्राइट दिखा देंगे, ही वॉज वेरी गुड, ही वॉज अवॉर्डेड, बला सला, दिस प्रॉब्लम में हर कोई डाल देगा. वो मेन चीज़ क्या होती है, आप कैसे निकाल रहे हो उसको बाहर. समझ रहा है बोरे, मतलब तुम लोग कनेक्ट कैसे कर रहे हो, समझ रहा है मेरी बात. ठीक है.
आपने पूरी